Revolutionary AI Traffic App Plus system for 2021. In just a few minutes each day. 100% done for you instant affiliate system. With free buyer traffic from 1 billion visitors. We use this to make thousands in daily commissions. Click. To turn on sound, you need to hear this message. Free gift. The first 50 buyers also get the Super Traffic Booster, which gets instant traffic on demand. Free buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds. Revolutionary new built-in artificial intelligence. Tap into secret top 1 billion targeted visitors. 100% done for you commission system. Designed and made for beginners. No experience required. No tech skills needed. No monthly fees. Achieve financial freedom. Quit your job, travel and enjoy life. 60-day money-back guarantee. Grab Traffic Sniper now and save $197 monthly. Just pay $17 once and use forever. Get instant access now. One-time secure payment. Rock-solid 60-day money-back guarantee. Hurry! The price rises soon. Breaking viral buyer traffic app is making us thousands per day and generates free buyer traffic from multiple traffic sources daily. Over 1 billion targeted potential buyers. This works for both newbies and experienced marketers. They are all seeing spectacular results. You will too. Martin Mitchell. Everything changed around for me when I got Traffic Sniper. I'd barely made a cent online previously, but on my first day I generated $286 without needing a product, and it only took me about 5 minutes to get things set up. I am delighted. Thanks, Ian. Anthony Rhodes. This is comfortably the easiest and most profitable tool I've ever used. I was able to get it going right away and I made over $2,000 in my first week. I'm thrilled. You're just 3 steps from instant viral buyer traffic. Step 1: click the buy button to secure your copy now. Step 2: log in and enter your details into the system. Step 3: hit the built-in traffic switch and watch a tsunami of free traffic flood through your instant profit links. That's all. Just 3 steps away from living the life of your dreams. From Ian Ross. 7-figure per year marketing expert since 2009. Unlocking a flood of targeted buyer traffic in 2021. Dear struggling marketer. Are you still looking for the secret to finding targeted buyer traffic just like 99% of other online marketers? Would having access to practically unlimited viral buyer traffic be the answer to your prayers? If so, then you'll want to read every word of this message. It could well mean a very significant change in your life starting today. Especially if you're new or struggling. But why is traffic the #1 biggest issue for online marketers? Well, most methods are extremely expensive. Most sources are highly competitive. Most gurus keep their traffic methods to themselves. And then even when things start to look promising, and a bit of traffic starts to come in, something happens to set you back to square one. So it's not surprising that you wonder, how do I stop this roller coaster of disappointment and start making money? Because traffic alone is not enough to see you start making money. And that's the issue. Because even the very best traffic systems don't show you how to monetize that traffic. Don't tell you which type of offers you should be promoting. Don't create any kind of useful ads for your traffic to see. Don't show you the easiest ways to build your list. And for these reasons, most traffic softwares are more or less useless. Which then sets off a vicious cycle. Because when a newbie tries with one of these systems and inevitably fails, they blame themselves. They feel they're the only ones not seeing results. They then look to even more junk traffic systems for results. If I'm describing a situation that you feel like you've been in, then it's time to stop. Because trust me when I say that it isn't your fault. You deserve better. You deserve something that works. You deserve to live that dream lifestyle. Because with the help of the brand new tool that we're about to show you, you'll be able to experience both traffic and sales in a way that you've never seen before. A revolutionary instant free buyer traffic app. This new app identifies the most targeted traffic sources out there and pulls the trigger. Because it uses revolutionary new artificial intelligence to tap into the mindset of the very hungriest of buyers. This brings you only the very best prospective customers. It means you never need paid ads. And conversions are proven to come 100 times faster. In fact, this system is so powerful that even experienced marketers are seeing results that they have never seen before. With viral sales each and every day. And the best thing is that it's 100% legitimate. Which means the commissions can keep on rolling in forever. Because it uses a complex AI algorithm to target only those who are ready to buy. With multiple instant traffic sources integrated to the app, you can tap into the freshest 1 billion buyers on the web. You can dominate new niches using this incredible AI technology. You'll never have to search desperately for traffic again. Now, as amazing as this sounds, we also want to make sure that this hot traffic is sent to the right places to ensure that it is converted to red-hot sales. So we've automated that process too. Includes our revolutionary instant profit link and magic money ads, meaning automated BFI monetization. Because Traffic Sniper does both traffic and sales at the same time. The AI traffic technology works perfectly with our inbuilt magic money ads because they were built for each other. You just point the built-in traffic to the custom magic money ads we give you. Set your instant profit link, and the system does the rest. You don't have to worry about content creation, making ads, knowing which offers to promote. We are literally doing everything for you. Traffic Sniper is a 100% done-for-you solution. Free buyer traffic. Automated magic money ads ready out of the box. Lead generation. Commissions. It's paint by numbers simple. With nothing technical to set up and no new skills to learn. This is the day that you can finally be set free. I've been making great money online since 2009. That's 12 years. But I have to be honest, it was really tough. At first, I'd actually trained as a lawyer, which got me into the mindset that you had to slave your ass off to succeed. So I did everything myself. I wrote all the content. I made all the ads. I attempted to learn the tech skills. I lost money day after day. What I didn't realize back then was how powerful automation was. And what I only just discovered recently was just how powerful artificial intelligence can be. It's allowed me and my team to create Traffic Sniper. And now anyone can automate 100% a done-for-you online business. Free buyer traffic automation tool. Done-for-you magic money ads. Built-in monetization and list building. If you're sick of working too hard and not getting the results you deserve, get ready for that to change today, because Traffic Sniper does it all for you. The ultimate artificial intelligence buyer traffic app. Traffic Sniper is a 100% automated solution. Because on top of the built-in traffic from the very best sources on the internet, all of your magic money ads are automated and ready to go straight out of the box. This means no pages to build, No funnels to set up. No images to source. No landing pages to optimize. No surprises. And most importantly, no huge list of a million things that you have to do before you can actually use the software. This is a 100% automated, push-button solution that hunts down the very best traffic on the web, then fires. And it hits its target every single time. Am I really able to use a free traffic software to turn prospects into profits? With Traffic Sniper you can. This app is something completely different to anything you have seen on the market before. Instead of hammering cold leads with offers they simply do not want, Traffic Sniper's inbuilt AI technology targets only the hungriest buyers and then pulls the trigger. Which means more subscribers and more commissions. Without creating content. Without paying for ads. Without having to wait weeks for results. In this day and age you do not need to work hard to see results. This is the smart way to do it. Because with this incredible AI technology, Traffic Sniper flat out works. Now you can tap into the very same method. I used to make thousands of dollars daily online. But you're getting a head start. And having it all done for you. Creating content. Searching for traffic. Development costs. With our artificial intelligence. Plus incredible magic money ads. That's not something you will need to worry about ever again. Absolutely no content creation ever. No tech headaches, we set everything up for you. No waiting for results, our beta testers all made sales on day one. Say hello to the rest of your life. A life that can be your own. This is that internet lifestyle that you've been reading about but have never experienced. Until today. Traffic Sniper combines viral buyer traffic and automated monetization in one app. Using the most advanced artificial intelligence ever seen. Meaning that the possibilities are endless. Imagine seeing a bucket load of sales in your account. By this time tomorrow. From this app's revolutionary artificial intelligence. That runs 100% on autopilot. This is a serious income. This is that internet lifestyle. This is having the ability to jump on a plane and jet off across the world. Work for just a few minutes each day. Be wherever you want, whenever you want. What would freedom mean for you? Life on the beach? No more boss? Early retirement? Treat your family? New hobbies? A life without limits? Because right now, in 2021, there has never been a better time to start making it big online. You have stumbled upon Traffic Sniper at exactly the right time. Why? Because there have never been so many hungry customers sat at their laptops ready to buy. In the last 16 months online sales have gone through the roof. So when you connect with traffic the way you can with Traffic Sniper, the conversions are off the charts. Because with the inbuilt artificial intelligence those customers are driven straight to buy through your instant profit links. Which means more free viral traffic. Faster list building.